Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. So today in this video we will learn how we can update the related records owner using the Salesforce record trigger flow. So in this video with the help of two examples I am going to explain how you can update parent to child record ownership and also from child to parent record ownership. So first let me show you the demo of the record trigger flow that I have created to update the related record ownership. So right now I'm in my flow setup window and here you can see I have created two record trigger flows. So the first one here is to update the related contacts owner. So in this record trigger flow we have defined the condition that when account owner ID is updated, then the same owner will be assigned to the related contacts of the specific account. And then the second record trigger flow that we have created is to update the account owner ID of the opportunity. So in this record trigger flow condition, when opportunity, then the same owner will be assigned to the related account of that specific opportunity. So let me show how these two flow work and how they update the ownership of their related records. So right now I'm on the account record page, and according to the condition of first record trigger flow, when I update the account owner, then the same owner will be assigned to the related contacts of this account. So here I will change the account from Alex Carey to another user and then click on the button change owner, and now you can see the related contacts are also having the same owner that I have changed for the account. So this is how the first trigger is working. And for the second record trigger flow, we have defined a condition that when the opportunity owner is updated, then the account of that specific opportunity will also have the same owner. So here I will update the owner of this opportunity. And when I go to the account of this specific opportunity, you will see the owner of this account is also updated. So let's move ahead and see how we can create this record trigger flow to update the owner ID of the related records. So right now I'm on the flow setup window, and first we will deactivate the created record trigger flow so they don't contradict with the flow that we are going to create right now. So now we will create the record trigger flow, and before creating the flow I will just take few seconds to introduce our newly launched Salesforce admin course. So first let me show the course content, then we will continue to the topic. So this is our newly launched the Salesforce admin course, and I will also mention the course link in the description from where you can access and view the course. So we have designed this course specifically for the beginners and the people who want to learn the admin part. So in this course you are going to get more than 50 hours of video content including PDFs and solution. And for this course we have covered every module in depth. You can see these are the modules that we have covered in this course, that is introduction to Salesforce, Salesforce navigation and setup. So in the modules you can see the table of content so that you will have an idea what are the topics that we have covered in this admin course. And we have covered this course in 10 modules, so it will take you around 2 to 3 months to complete this whole course. And when it comes to the pricing, we have kept it $199 for the lifetime access. So once you purchase this course, you are going to get lifetime access for this course. So here in the flow setup window, click on the new flow button, and here select the option triggered and then select record trigger flow. So here first we need to see what we are going to update. So we are going to update the ownership of the related contacts of an account. So here the object will be the account, and in the configure trigger condition we have to select a record is updated, that is when the owner of account is updated. And then in the condition requirements we have to define as all conditions and then select the field owner ID is changed equals to true. So with this, every time the owner ID or the owner of the account is changed, this trigger flow will run. So here we need to add the update related record element, and here we need to enter the label. So I will enter it as update related contacts, and the API name here will be autofilled. So here in the section how to find records to update and set their values, here select update records related to the account record that triggered the flow. So here we need to select the related object. So the related object here is the contact that is triggering account contacts. So here in the section set field values for the contact records, we have to map the contact owner ID with the updated account owner ID. So here select the owner ID and the value will be triggering account owner ID. So with this we have mapped the owner ID of the contact with the changed owner ID of the account. So here we will save this flow, and I'm going to label it as update related contact owner, and here I click on the save button, and after this we will activate the flow. And now to check the flow I will navigate to the accounts tab. So here, according to the trigger condition, when I change the account owner, then it should also change the owner of these contacts. So here I will change the owner to Alex Carey and then click on the change owner button. And now you will see the same changes in the related contacts. When I go to the related contacts, you can see the same contact owner is assigned to the related contacts as well. So this is how you can update related records ownership from a parent to child relationship. And now we will see how we can update the ownership for the from the child to parent relationship. So for that we will create another flow. So here we will click on the new flow button. Here select trigger and then select record trigger flow. So in this record trigger flow we will define a condition that when the opportunity owner is updated, then it will also update the owner of parent account of that specific opportunity. So here the object will be opportunity, and then the configure trigger select record is updated, condition requirement select all condition, and select field as owner ID is changed equals to true. And after this we need to get the account ID. So for that I will add the get record element, and here the label will be get account and the API name will be auto filled. So the object here is going to be account that we need to fetch. Here select account ID equals to triggering opportunity account ID. And in the section how many records to store, select only the first record and then close it. And now add a update record element. So I'm going to label it as update account owner, and the API name here will be auto filled. And in the section how to find records to update and set their values, select the option update record related to the opportunity record. Select the option update record related to the opportunity record that triggered the flow, and in the section related records select triggering opportunity account ID, and then go to the section set field values. So here we have to map the owner ID of opportunity with the owner ID of the account. So here select owner ID equals to the value of triggering opportunity owner ID. So with this we have completed the flow. Now I will save and activate the flow. So label it as update parent account owner and then click on the save button. And after saving the flow we will activate it. And now to check the flow I will navigate to the opportunities tab. So according to the trigger condition, when I update the owner of this opportunity, it should also update the owner of account name United Oil and Gas Corp. So I will update the opportunity owner to the user Alex Carey, and now you will see the same owner is assigned to the parent account of this opportunity. So this is how you can update the ownership of the related records from a child to parent relationship using the record trigger flow. And I hope that you have liked this video. Then please do like, share and subscribe us, and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get regular updates of our upcoming videos. And thank you for giving your time and watching this video till last. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.